Fed up with persistent heat loss, high energy costs, and cumbersome maintenance caused by rigid, fixed industrial insulation? Traditional insulation is non-removable, hard to clean, and unable to fit custom machinery. If you need a flexible, durable, fully customizable thermal insulation solution for your industrial facilities, this video is for you. Hey everyone! Today we're featuring Suntex removable thermal insulation covers and blankets, the premium, cost-effective insulation solution trusted by global industrial industries, built for superior thermal protection and maximum usability. Our flexible blankets outperform bulky, one-size-fits-all traditional insulation. What sets our products apart? A professional multi-layer structural design. Each insulation cover consists of a tough outer protective layer, a high-performance fiberglass, silica insulation core, and a smooth inner liner. This layered structure effectively blocks heat transfer, prevents heat loss and gain, and significantly improves your equipment's energy efficiency. More importantly, all raw materials are 100% in-house produced. We control every production process from fabrics to coatings, eliminating quality instability from outsourcing and delivering consistent, high-standard products for every customer. These are the core advantages that benefit your industrial operations. Outstanding stable thermal insulation for long-term industrial use. Waterproof, oil-resistant and anti-corrosive, adaptable to harsh working environments. Flexible, pollution-free, easy to wrap and fit complex equipment structures. Removable and reusable, the biggest highlight. Quickly remove the blankets for equipment inspection, maintenance and cleaning. Then reinstall them in minutes. No more damaging. Fixed insulation for routine upkeep. And easy cleaning keeps your workplace tidy. Our custom insulation solutions serve oil and gas, maritime power generation, aerospace, chemical and manufacturing sectors. They are ideal for pipe fittings, elbows, flanges, tees, injection or extrusion machinery, molds, chemical reactors, power plant turbines, and engine exhaust systems. We fully customize every cover to match your unique equipment and thermal requirements, no matter standard or specialized industrial needs. As a professional industrial textile manufacturer, Suntex provides one-stop thermal insulation solutions. Our in-house production, strict quality control and rich industrial experience guaranteed durable, high performance and budget-friendly insulation products. Upgrade your industrial insulation system, cut energy consumption and simplify equipment maintenance with Suntex removable thermal insulation covers. Leave a comment or DM us for free custom solutions and quotations. Subscribe for more industrial insulation tips and product updates.